Still going?
A message.
Yep. Still going.
Okay.
Do you think the minute has room for one more round of it?
Mm-hmm. Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know how to speed this up? You know, we could say whatever.
Okay, it's 2:22.
It's still going though.
Okay, let's see. Just tell me when it stops.
Okay.
So the last one should be red, right?
Yes. No, the last one isn't red. The last one's yellow.
Okay.
It's blue, yellow,
Yellow.
red.
Red.
It's another one.
Green. Yellow.
Blue, yellow,
Red.
red.
So it's yellow, blue, yellow, red?
No, yellow's the last one. It's yellow. It's red, green, blue, yellow, blue, yellow.
That was perfect.
That was
timing.
perfectly timed. That was amazing. Yuri, that was amazing how your game did that.
What?
Okay, it's 2:23.
It's still going.
Mm-hmm. So it's more than 1,000 seconds.
But don't write it down yet.
No?
It's still going.
Okay.
Can y'all believe this?
Green. Yellow. So the last one is yellow?
The last one's yellow. Red's the start. It's off. It's off. What time is it?
2:23.
It's 2:23.
So it's still within
It
a
was still
few
close.
seconds.
It was
Yeah.
just off by a minute. It was
Maybe
off
a
by
few
a minute.
seconds. Maybe off by a few seconds.
Now we finally made a chart.
So our prediction
Was
was
2:22,
2:22, but it ended at 2:23. So it's pretty good. Pretty good prediction, huh?
pretty
Yeah.
close prediction.
Very good. And we just follow the scientific process. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.